Hello everyone, my name is Bohao Zhang. Today I will present our work, VGGT Segmenter, a geometry-enhanced framework for cross-view segmentation. Our task is to segment the same physical object across equal and XO views. Given an object mask in one view, we want to predict the corresponding object mask in another view. This is challenging because of large viewpoint changes, heavy occlusion, and many distractor objects. Recent reconstruction models like VGGT provide strong geometry-aware representations, and the projected points from VGGT naturally provide cross-view correspondence cues. This inspired us to ask whether these geometry-consistent features can help us solve cross-view segmentation. Our key observation is that the raw projected points from VGGT often drift under extreme viewpoint changes. However, the internal attention features still remain aligned with the correct object region. This means VGGT semantically understands the object even when sparse point projections fail. Therefore, our goal is to transform this robust object-level understanding into accurate dense masks. Our framework contains a frozen VGGT encoder and a lightweight uni-segmentation hand. First, we fuse source mask prompts into geometry-aware features, and then sparse tracked points act as geometry anchors to guide dense prediction. At last, we introduce a mask refinement stage to get more accurate mask. We further design a single image self-supervised training strategy. Instead of relying on paired equal XO annotations, we synthesize cross-view supervision through geometric augmentations such as rotation, shear, copy-paste, and occlusion. This enables correspondence-free pre-training and improves generalization to unseen objects and senses. On Eagle X04D dataset, our correspondence-free pre-trained model surpasses many supervised baselines, and the fully supervised version sets a new SOTA. This slide shows the contribution of each component. Overall, the full model improves over the planned baseline by more than 30 IOU points. Here we show qualitative video demos. Importantly, our method does not use temporal information. Of course, our method still has limitations. Under extreme challenging cases, such as opposing viewpoints and severe object deformation, point drift and misleading attention can still occur. We believe temporal modeling and object tracking could further improve robustness in future work. To conclude, VGGT Segmenter is a geometry-enhanced framework that combines VGGT's geometry-aware representations with point-guided dense segmentation. Our method achieves strong cross-view generalization and SOTA performance. Thank you very much for watching.